Looking to boost your home security with a smart floodlight camera? Today we're reviewing the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus newest model to help you decide if it's the best choice for your driveway, backyard, or side yard in 2025. If you love clear, honest smart home reviews, hit that like button and subscribe for weekly security and home tech breakdowns. What is the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus? The Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus is a hardwired security camera with motion-activated LED floodlights, 1080p HD video, and two-way talk. It combines bright outdoor lighting and real-time video surveillance, allowing you to see, hear, and speak to visitors or potential intruders directly from your phone, tablet, or Alexa-enabled devices. Pros of the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus: bright motion-activated LED floodlights. Get 2,000 lumens of bright light to illuminate your driveway or backyard whenever motion is detected. 1080p HD video with color night vision. View crisp, clear footage day or night, helping you see details like faces and license plates. Advanced motion detection with custom zones. Receive alerts only when and where you want them by customizing motion zones to reduce false alarms. Two-way talk and siren. Talk to visitors or warn intruders using the built-in siren directly from the Ring app. Works with Alexa. View your camera feed on Echo Show devices or get voice announcements when motion is detected. Continuous power. No batteries to charge. Hardwired installation means you never worry about charging batteries. Cons of the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus: requires hardwired installation. You need existing wiring, which may require an electrician for some users. Subscription for video storage. You'll need a Ring Protect plan for cloud storage and video review features. No 2K per 4K resolution. While the 1080p quality is clear, competitors offer higher resolutions at higher price points. Who should buy the Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus? If you want reliable outdoor security with bright floodlights, live video, and app-based alerts, this Ring Floodlight Cam is an excellent addition to your smart home. It's ideal for homeowners looking to secure entry points, monitor activity, and deter intruders while keeping your property well lit at night. Question for you: do you prefer wired or battery-powered outdoor cameras for your home security setup? Let me know in the comments below. Affiliate link for easy purchase: Ring Floodlight Cam Wired Plus on Amazon. Purchasing through this link supports the channel at no extra cost to you, helping us continue producing honest, practical reviews. If this review helped, like this video, subscribe, and ring the bell for weekly smart home product reviews and security tech buying guides to keep your family and property safe. Thanks for watching and stay secure.